My name is Vicken Khachadourian. I worked at Oracle Corporation for 22 years. I was a top troubleshooter there and solved 400 of the toughest database failure problems with 100% success. Because I'm a blacklisted mathematician, I keep a roof over my head as a DoorDash driver. I have a math degree from UC Berkeley. In 1996, while working at Oracle Database Support, I accidentally discovered and solved one of the toughest challenges of artificial intelligence, machine learning. I discovered that when massive amounts of data get collected from diverse sources, data and context get decoupled. Once that happens, the dumbest miscalculations become inevitable. Oracle's managers covered up my discovery, and in 2005, I finally blew the whistle to a very high-level VP. I am displaying an image from my performance appraisal at Oracle in 2005, when my manager asked me for a proposal on the role of context and acknowledged that I use context in solving my customer production failure problems. You can find a copy of this document on my website, www.enougtrace.com, ENOUGHT as in Tom, RACE.com. If you check my website, you will also see evidence that Oracle never applied for a single patent on the role of context in diagnostics before 2007, even though the company was founded in 1977. After 2007, Oracle filed for at least 200 patents on the role of context in diagnostics. This, I hope, is solid proof on what value Oracle places on the role of context after 2007. In 2007, Oracle also concluded that I was right and made me the first candidate for the role of context in Oracle Diagnostics for a patent. I was the first at Oracle, and I think the first in the high-tech industry. Today, many AI-based applications are vulnerable to this failure. For example, they asked Google's Gemini advice on how to make sure cheese sticks to pizza dough. Google's advice was that using non-toxic glue will do the job. In another AI-based system, they asked if a cat speaks English, and the answer was that the cat does speak English because maybe the cartoon character Garfield the cat speaks English somewhere on the internet. This problem is very relevant to Tesla's software and all other self-driving software applications. It is also relevant to all areas of computing where massive amount of data get collected from multiple sources. What alarms me is that when strange-looking Tesla accidents are taking place, where the car software can be implicated, or at least suspected, and the drivers are clearly not impaired or intoxicated, sometimes investigating authorities or mainstream publications are taking down those stories. On the other hand, if the accident involves an element where the driver was drunk, or he was looking at the phone or maybe looking at the radio, those stories are enjoying visibility advantages. Here are examples from 2 such episodes. Thank you.
911. Usted ha llamado a la línea pública de la Patrulla de Caminos de California. Todos los operadores están ocupados ayudando a otras llamadas. Por favor, you have reached the California Highway Patrol non-emergency line. All operators are busy assisting other callers. Please stay on the line and your call will be answered in the order it was received. If you're reporting an emergency, please hang up and dial 911.
Okay, I saved this story about the Highway 134 crash, and this story, according to Hoodline, which is, I believe, SFist, according to the story, in here it says, police have dismissed driving under the influence as a potential cause, but the true reason why the driver lost control still remains unexplained. Now, I saved this story and I have the URL in my PDF document. Take a look what happens when I click on that URL. It disappeared from their web page. It's no longer there. Error 404, page not found. An hour ago or so, I saved this thing.